These are my cousins and my extended family on my mother's side. Welcome to the reunion. This is a yearly tradition with the Ampaloquios, and we always get together after Christmas and before New Year's. Of course, there's tons of food because we're Filipino, but after the food comes the games because we're also competitive. This moment here is everything. My mother meeting with her sister and her brother from San Diego while we're here in Manila. Then the infamous Boys vs. Girls games, which was a series that pitted us against the women of the family, and it was crazy hectic. In high school, I was really competitive, but now I think I know where it comes from, watching my family bicker over each point. The part of me that loves performance and humor comes out tenfold with my family. Of course, before the end of the night, there's going to be some karaoke, but Filipinos will turn everything into a dance floor, and my family does that every single year. And out of all the moments I experience in the year, these are some of my most treasured. Watching generations of my family experience these last moments of 2023 together. While most of my YouTube channel is about helping others in my career in fashion, family will always be my first priority. As I record this reel in Manila, I miss you already.